Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will build one Python project which is a QR code generator. It's a simple project and using that we can build a QR code image for our website or a social media handle or any of your stories or anything. So yeah, let me show you what it will do first and then we will create this simple project from scratch. First I will run that script file to show you how it works. So first it will ask for your input, like whether you want to create a QR code for any of your site URL or any text you want. So here I will give my site. Yeah, and then it showed me a message like successfully created a qr.png file. So and also I could see there is one png file created in the Explorer. If I open it, and you can see it has created a QR code image for me. So yeah, this is the the end output that we want. So you have to enter the details that you want a QR image for it, and it will create a QR code for you. So yeah, let me open the file, and we will build this tool from scratch. Let me close this and also delete this one because we don't need it now, and clear the file, save it. Yeah, so let's build it. So for building this particular tool, which is the QR code generator, you need two dependencies, which is the two packages. First one is the QR code and the next one is the pillow. So first you have to if you want, you can create a virtual environment and there you can install it, or else you can simply install pip install QR code. I have already installed it, so if I run it now, I will get requirement satisfied a message. But in your case, it will install dependency for you. So this package we need, and also we need pillow. Pillow is for image processing. So once we create the QR code image, we will need pillow dependency to save that image to our directory. So for that you need pillow. So I will install pillow as well. I have already installed, so I will again get the requirement satisfied message, but in your case it will install the dependency for you. So yeah, so these are the two packages you need to build this tool. So I have already installed. Let's build it. So first I will import the QR code, and then now I will create one class which with name as my QR, and then initialization method. So I'm going to pass size and padding as an argument, and here I will create a QR attribute. So this will use the QR code package, and it will use the built-in method QR code, and we have to pass the uh, box size, which is our size we received as an argument, and then we have to set the border as well, which is nothing but the padding is for space uh, and dimensions. And now we have initialized the QR object. Next we are going to write one class method, which is the create QR method, and which will take file name and FG and BG. FG is the foreground color and BG is the background color, and we will use this for our QR code image color. So first things first, let's get the user input, which uses the input third, and with the message like enter URL or text, and then now let's use the try and accept. Okay, so first things first, let's create we have created a QR object, right? Now using that, what we are going to do is like we are just simply going to add the data to that object. So with this, we will pass the user input as argument, and then we have to create an image, which is the QR image, and that will be self dot QR make image, which we will use that make image function, and that will we will set the color, just the fill color as a FG, and the back color as BG. So now we have added the user input to QR, and also we have created a QR image. So now the next thing is to save that image, right? So for that we are going to use that QR image dot save. Dot save is from pillow. So you can see that I didn't import the pillow in this particular file, because Python will understand that we are using pillow for saving that image. So qr image dot save. Now we have to pass that file name, and that will create save the image for us. And now as a final step, I will print that message like successfully created with by passing the image file name. And there is a chance that it may run into some exception, so that's why I'm used try and except, because there is a limitation in a QR code module that if we give that text message more than 7,000 characters, then that will throw some exception rarely, but but we need to handle that cases as well, right? So that's why I'm just adding some print statement here, just to return with that error message. You can handle this exception differently, but in case it depends on your use case. So for now I'm just giving the print statement. So we have created a class and also its method and attributes. Now let's go ahead and call this, create an object for it. Sorry. So let's create one object by passing the size as 30 with padding equals to 2. So this will create a QR object. Now let's call the class create QR method. We're passing the file name as what to say, QR code.png, and also we have to pass the colors, right? So let me use that with this at FG. You can give the name of the color, and also you can give the RGB value or hex value, so that will set the color for you. So in my case I'm going to use white, and no, I want to use foreground color as black, and background color as white. Yeah, that's it. We had we have completed our script. So we have imported that QR code module, and we have created a my QR class, and in the initialization of the class we have created the QR object, and we have written one create QR method that will get the user input using the input function. And then we have added that data to our QR object, and then we have used this make image function to create a QR image, and then using the pillow save method to save that image to our directory. And in case of exception, we have captured that exception and printing that error message. And finally we are creating an object for our class, and calling that create QR method with the file name and for foreground color and background color. So let's run it and test whether this is working fine or not. Okay, let me run this file. Okay, it's asking for a URL or a text. Let me give www.google.com this time. Yeah, it has created a QR code .png file. You can see the successfully created message, and also you can see that it has created the file here. Let me open this file, and you can see, right, it has generated the file for a QR image for us. So yeah, that's it. And if you want to change that color, you can make some changes here. Instead of foreground color as a black, I will change to blue. And if I run it again, you can see the difference. Yeah, so you can see, right, you can play with this code, and also you can make some changes according to your requirement or your interest. And that's it. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe, and hope this will help you. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.